Hi guys, here today with the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime, and I wanted to do a little update on my 2023 Safety Nuisance video with the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 and some of the odd features that I found. And one of them is this rear seatbelt monitor that kicks in, and interesting enough, I was wondering why it doesn't like detect that if there's no one back there in the back seats when it kicks off the sensor. Like, it's asking you to basically check to see to make sure that everybody in the back has their seatbelt buckle, and obviously I don't have any passengers. So anyway, I did find a quick and almost a very easy, basically a very simple fix to resolve that message, which basically pops up for the first minute. And I have a way now to get rid of it once and for all, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's very simple, and here I go. So I'm just going to leave the car running. Actually, you know what, I'm going to turn off the car. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to shut the car down. And basically, the way to resolve it is just basically plug in the seat belts. It's almost silly in a way, but that is basically how you can get rid of that annoying little indicator, which basically, to me, makes no sense. If you have no passengers in the back seat anyway, why would that kick in to begin with? So as you can see now, once the display comes up, that rear seatbelt monitor is no longer activated. It's not coming on anymore. And I will leave a link below as well in the description to my earlier video where I kind of mentioned the rear seatbelt monitor. But as I said, the fix is fairly simple, pretty easy. And to me, it just kind of odd to me. Like, I can see if people are sitting back there, much like in the, you don't get that in the front seat. Would normally, I know I've seen in earlier Priuses, there's like an airbag sensor and monitor. And, you know, it would make sense if there's some weight in the seat that is detecting, and it would kick off that monitor. But why is it doing that when there's no one sitting back there? And why does it kick off each time? I guess it's just, like I said, a safety feature warning, or just basically a reminder to make sure that everybody buckles their seatbelt. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's any other videos that you want to see. Basically, also hit the notification button so you are alerted when I do new videos. And thanks again for watching. Take care.